Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a haul from AliExpress, and I always wonder, when can I order from them again? Have the tariffs ruined it all? I don't know. The prices are surely going up, though. I'll tell you that. But they're still good prices. I bought, oh yeah, these are correct. Well, more than I thought. I bought these charms for Winterfest. I thought they'd be really cute. I wanted to show. They're little astronauts. The theme this year is space. I thought that was really cute. Just a fun little thing you can make a necklace out of that will be in the goodie bags. Let's see what this one is. I was trying to think ahead. What do I want before the tariffs get any higher? And I knew that I wanted more of the little tennis shoes. I can make them clothes, but shoes, not so much. So those are from my Smart Dolls. Oh, and here's some more little astronauts. These are really cute. Really, really, really cute. We had, just over 50 people last year? So I kind of planned for 50. We'll see. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
I like those. And that could be for the doll or the person. The person could wear it. And if you make your 1/3 doll a necklace the size of your wrist, they can wear that as a bracelet, and you can wear it as a bracelet.
You had that, yeah.
They can wear it as a necklace, and you can wear it as a bracelet, is what I'm trying to spit out here. Doing 3 things at once. Yes, I'm doing something else in the background, too. Okay, what else did I... Oh, good. Oh, good, 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 good. I've been wanting some more of these boots, and I went ahead and bought them. Are they perfect for what I want? No, but they're cute, and my boys can wear the black ones. My sole, what do you call it? Insole is moving around in here. My boys will... What the heck? Oh, it's not an insole. It's a tongue. Okay, well, that makes sense. And they zip up the front. They're kind of like Beatle boots. If you remember when the Beatles first hit American shores, they kind of had boots like this. And I got them in white also. And will I color those a different color? I don't know. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you too have been buying from AliExpress so that you can get it before the tariffs go any higher. And please subscribe.
Those white ones make good ice skates?
No.
No, not the right kind. Huh?
Oh, no.
Aw.
But we have all those others.
Yeah.